Hi guys, Nate with Scene Clean here. We oftentimes get asked, how much do your services cost when it comes time to have to clean up after a tragedy or a death? There's no easy way to answer that question other than saying typically we need to go out to the scene to be able to evaluate what we are cleaning up. As far as pricing structure goes, most jobs are covered by homeowners insurance, and people don't oftentimes understand that. Now, most insurance companies, as well as companies such as ours, will use a software called Xactimate. And Xactimate is an independent company that prices out each area of the country, for example, the Minneapolis market, and every month they'll come out with a new suggest price list of the services that we provide and what those rates, the reimbursement rates are for the month. So that's how we figure out what our hourly rate is going to be each month. So every month the price changes a little bit. It could go up, could go down. But the other thing to consider is what exactly we are cleaning up. The best example I can give is we can't price things out on the phone because we need to be able to see how much time and labor and materials are going to be involved to do a cleanup. For example, if someone dies and decomposes, it could be as simple as just removing a mattress. But we've had many situations where they've passed on the floor and their body fluids have leaked down through the carpeting into the subfloor. And depending on what the subfloor is consisting of, or if there's seams to the subfloor, the fluids may have leaked down into the basement or onto the joists. So there's a lot of hidden damages in our industry that really we can only estimate based off what we can see. It's not like we're a general contractor that says, hey, I need to build a 10-foot wall that's 8 feet high. That's great. We can figure out how many studs we need, how much sheetrock we need, and it's pretty easy to get you an exact price. That's not so easy in our industry. So if you call around and you want to price out a job, just know that you really don't have to price out anything if it's an insurance job because of that third-party software. But if you do find companies that are giving you prices over the phone, I'm going to tell you right now that be cautious of those companies. You can't sell a job really cheap and not make any money. Otherwise, you're going to be cutting corners when you're on the job site. And our industry is not one that you should be cutting corners on. If you got any other questions, please give us a call, 612-643-0911, or visit us on the web at scenecleaninc.com. Thank you.